Hello, everyone. Deanne Castro here, Creative Memories Advisor in Bakersfield, California. I just wanted to pop on real quick and give you an update. I did a video called Cascading Pages with a Twist back at the end of October. I think it was the 27th to the 29th of 2025. So not quite a year ago, but I originally did that video without the new cascading pages templates. And so I just wanted to give you a quick update, then refer you to go back and watch the original video if you've not done it. This was my original idea after I had seen my upline and friend Lanita Medina do her original one. And so then I did this one. So let me show it to you. Okay, so this was the one I did back in October. I didn't have these cascading, oh goodness, now what are they called? The cascading templates, where it gives you the various measurements in between each one of the peekaboo pockets, okay? These are not available at the moment on the website, but they will be back, I think, February next year. So get a hold of your advisor. She may have some still because there aren't any on the website. If your advisor does not have any, I have 2 sets left and they're $18. But what I wanted to show you was actually putting this page together, or these pages together, using these templates. So the way this one works is you've got 2 6x12 peekaboo pockets on either side of the page. Now you can put it directly on the page if you want. You can use a regular scrapbook page. That's what this was. And I put these peekaboo pockets on the very edge of each side of the page. Okay, then I opened it up. Then I measured 1.5 inches over, top and bottom, added another 6x12 peekaboo pocket on the left, and then I did the same thing on the right. Okay, so that gave me these 2 right here. Then I did another 1.5 inches top and bottom, 1.5 inches top and bottom on from the edge of these 2. And then I put in 2 more peekaboo pockets, and these layer on top of each other with a whole section in the middle. Okay, when I did this, I originally cut the 6x12 piece of paper. These are all 6x12 sheets in here. Okay, so this one's a 6x12. This was the other side of the paper. Here's another 6x12. This was the same paper here. So now these 2, this was a 6x12. This was a 1.5 inch. This was a 1.5 inch. This was the remainder of that other 6-inch piece. So it carried the colors all the way across. Then I had 6x12 of this here, and I just used the back of this piece and added the rest of this, which is I think a 3-inch piece on the back here. So it carried the colors across on the front and the colors across on the inside. Then here I had a 6x12 inch piece, and then these 2 pieces were 1.5 to carry these colors across here. I had a different color here. This was a 6x12. Then I had 2 6x12s, which was the full sheet here, and then a 6x12 in the middle. So the really cool thing about these spacers is that it takes all the guesswork out of the 1.5 inch on here. If you want, you don't have to do these extra colors. You can put 1 full sheet on this page. Okay, so on the page right here, you put one colored coordinating designer print, which will carry across for every individual insert here. And then it would also have that same color here. So you have one full sheet across, and then you don't have to cut these extra 1.5-inch pieces or make things match. Okay, so these cascading spacers make it so easy now to put these peekaboo pockets on the page. You don't have to try to line it up on a ruler, try to get things exact. All you have to do is put the peekaboo pocket on the edge. This is a 1.5-inch spacer. Then you add the next peekaboo pocket right along the edge of this piece right here. Once that's on, take it off, lay the spacer down, add the other 6x12 peekaboo pocket right along the edge of the spacer, okay? So you just line it right along the edge and add the peekaboo pocket. Same on the other side, okay? So you put this one on the edge, take the 1.5-inch spacer, add it on, add the next peekaboo pocket right next to it, move the spacer, add the next peekaboo pocket. Now this needs to be over just a tiny bit. So see how this is really kind of tight right here, because this needs to be over just a hair on both of these so that they will lay flat on top of each other, okay? If you put the exact 1.5 inches on each side, then these won't fold on top of each other very well. They will fight each other to be folded. So if you just take them, move them just a hair over from where the 1.5 inches is, then they'll fold perfectly right on top of each other, okay? But these spacers are a game changer. And I think you will, no, I don't think, I know you will love them because it will make your pages so much easier. I do have another video that is another Cascade page with a twist. So there's 2 of them on my YouTube channel. I will put the link to both of those in this particular video. But I just wanted to update you and show you that these cascading spacers are a game changer, and you can use them for lots of other types. The other one I have shows you being able to cut a photo, a 12x12 photo, and cut it down and cascade the pages over. So check it out. Check out those videos. And I just wanted to throw this in here, let you know that these cascading spacers are a game changer and you need to get your hands on them. And I just want to thank everyone out there who have shared my idea. Somewhere along the line, some of them didn't have my name on them, and that's okay. I'm just totally thrilled that the idea has been shared and that you guys love it and you're using it and you're teaching other people how to make this particular twist on the cascading pages. So thank you so much to all of you that have shared this idea. I hope you like this video. I hope you realize that these spacers, these cascading spacers, are a game changer. Get your hands on them if you can. I have 2 if your advisor doesn't have any, and they will be back if you can't find another set. But if you watch my first video, it shows you how to do this idea without these spacers. You can still measure them, still do this whole idea without the spacers until you cut them in when they're available. All right? Have a blessed day. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you again very soon. See ya. Bye.